Alright guys, I wanted to share with you some yarn I bought yesterday at Ollie's. I figured it was a pretty good price. It was $2.99 and it is the Softy Baby Cotton. It is really nice. My nails are disgusting right now, y'all. It's soft and I really liked the color scheme, and I was thinking I could possibly make like a shawl or something that would be lightweight for the summertime, maybe even a bathing suit cover up. I don't know. But I just wanted to share that with you, and maybe you have an Ollie's that you can score some yarn at also. They do have those big, like, yarn that are in a big loop. I don't know, it's a new way, I guess, of storing your yarn. I have no idea, but I don't like them at all. It's like a 5-weight. It's just, I don't like working with bulky yarn. Speaking of working with yarn, this is my Gigunzo bag that has all the yarn in it that I'm currently using to make granny squares. So this is what I've been doing to try to keep myself sane, is crochet, but I can't, look, I shoved coupons in here. And a receipt. But I have all of my granny squares. I have about 190 right now, but I think I need around 355 to make my queen size comforter. So that's going to be a while of me crocheting. So what I've been doing is just figuring out some grocery deals, couponing deals, and then take some time and crochet a little bit. So that's all. Oh God, I forgot to tell y'all, I also created a crochet channel if any of you are interested. It's the Geeky Banana Crochets. I have not uploaded anything there yet, mainly because I'm hoping to record a bunch of content and then just upload it every week so that there's always something for you to watch. But also, I'm a beginner crocheter, so I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. So please bear with me. This is going to be a learning experience, and I have a feeling I'll be learning from a bunch of you guys on YouTube. So thank you in advance. All right, y'all, I will let you get to the deals. Hey guys, I have a save 5 on a $20 purchase of all Snuggle and Purex scenario for you, and I have another little bonus coupon. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So first, you're going to want to make sure you have this coupon clipped. It is the 5 off of 20 all Snuggle and Purex digital coupon. The first item I'm adding is the Purex crystals. They are $4.35, and we have a $1 cashback offer, making them just $3.35. So you're going to want to scan the item in store and confirm that both of these coupons are showing up under the item, which means that they are attaching. I'm also grabbing one of the 120 count Snuggle dryer sheets. They are $4.25, and we have a $1 cashback offer on those. Don't forget to scan in the store and confirm that both of these offers are showing up when you scan your item. I'm also going to grab one of the 40 count Snuggle dryer sheets. They are $2, and we have a 50-cent cashback offer on these. As always, make sure you scan and that you see these two offers under the item. I'm also grabbing a Persil. They are $9.95, and we actually have a $2 digital coupon, and we also have a $2 cash back offer. So if you don't have the coupon, maybe you have the cash back. So clip that coupon and scan your item in store to confirm that your coupon or cash back attaches, as well as your 5 off 20 purchase. Alright guys, here's the breakdown. We're going to buy one Purex crystals at $4.35, one Snuggle dryer sheets at $4.25, one Snuggle dryer sheet at $2, and one Persil 75-ounce detergent at $9.95. Our subtotal is $20.55. And our coupons are going to come off. We're going to get $5 off for the Snuggle deal. We're going to get $2 off for the Persil digital coupon. We're going to pay $13.35, but then we're going to earn cash back, and it's going to be like we paid $11.05 after we get that $2.50 cash back. Here's a bonus deal. This is going to expire on Saturday. Go ahead and clip this $1.50 off Ajax or Palmolive coupon. Ajax and Palmolive are both priced at $2 right now for the 40 ounce. So grabbing one of those, it'll be just 50 cents after our digital coupon. Now, I know that they are buy two, get one free, but hear me out. Buying one with a coupon, one without a coupon, and getting one free is $2.50 out of pocket. If you do it my way, and if you have 3 accounts, you can get 3 of them for $1.50. So it's still a cheaper out of pocket by buying them separately using the $1.50 coupon than it would be buying all 3 at once and not having a coupon for the other item you're paying full price for. Just some food for thought. Alright guys, as always, make sure you are scanning your item in store and that your coupon is showing up under your item. That's all I've got for you right now. I will talk to y'all later. Happy couponing and penny hunting.